Thank you for calling. Support this at Mark. I'm assist you.
Yeah, I got an email apparently from PayPal, although it's hard to tell, for a Bitcoin purchase for $495.99. And I have some questions about the invoice.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not sure what information you need here. You want the invoice number or anything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, GWNT 19 UFV E27Y D01.
All right, just give me a quick 2 minutes. Let me go ahead and check.
Okay.
So you did not purchase anything, sir?
No, I don't have a PayPal account, so I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
On the other hand, so could you tell me from looking at that whose account it was charged to? I mean,
Definitely, sir. Just checking, sir.
okay.
All right, I can see here this transaction. It is not from your location, sir. I have your IP address as well, and this transaction IP address, it is coming from different location and different IP address, and you are from Illinois. But this charge, it is not from Illinois. I mean, you are living in Illinois,
Yep.
but this charge is not from Illinois. It is coming from different IP address, which is from Russia, China, and Colorado. So I want to know one thing, sir. Like, did you share any information to any other person, like your email ID or anything regarding?
Well, yeah, of course. I mean, I share that stuff with my kids. Sure, you bet.
Okay. So that means, sir, someone have your information from Russia, China, and Colorado,
Well,
and they have,
if you could excuse me for a second, you say Russia, China, and Colorado, all three places?
yes, three places. Yes,
Oh my goodness.
that that means somebody have your IP address, and through your IP address, they are getting your information, and they just activate PayPal account. And I know that you don't use PayPal account, but someone from somewhere they just activate PayPal account behalf of your information, and they just try to purchase Bitcoin, and it's a cryptocurrency.
Yeah,
So
I know what Bitcoin is. When you say
yeah,
that they use my IP address to collect my information, what information do they have?
see, they have your IP address actually, and you know very well that every person have own IP address, and like if someone have that IP address, then they can take out all the information like your name, email ID, phone number, anything.
So I
So
need
what I'm
to, in
going,
other words, I need to change my IP address.
you cannot change, sir. It will never ever change. Once you have, then it will never change. It seems like the social security number.
I
But I
thought
can do
that,
one.
in other words, if I moved to, say, Montana, the IP address would follow me.
Yes, I
Oh well,
can. I can.
so in other words, I mean, you know that I'm in Illinois. So if I moved to Montana, for example, and I used my IP address would register as coming from Illinois or from Montana.
Okay. So I
No,
can.
no,
I
no. You
can
didn't
best
answer the
you.
question. You didn't answer the question. I'm curious that that when your IP address follows you, if it's like apparently the IP address is assigned at birth, like a social security number. So if I were to go to the public library, for example, would and I used my a different computer, how would they know it's my IP address? I don't understand.
Okay. Every device, your phone, your computer, your laptop is connected with the same router. Okay.
Yeah, but that's what my
So
point. My point is, if I had a different router, wouldn't I get a different IP address?
might be yes. You will get a different IP address. Yes.
Oh, so in other words, the IP address doesn't follow you; it follows the device.
Exactly, because like
Okay.
it is ready.
So
Yeah.
in other words, if I bought a different computer, then I don't have to worry about the hacking of my IP address, right?
Yes. Yes.
So, are you recommending then that I just buy a new computer? Would that solve my problem?
No, sir. See, it is not problem with your computer. It is not problem with your any device. I'm not talking about the device. I'm just talking about the internet server. Okay. So just let me do one thing, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me connect your server to our technical team, and then after we will remove each and every single IP address which is connected with you. And after that, we will cancel all the charges, and then after you will not have problem in future as well.
Okay,
Okay?
well, I don't have a server. I mean, you said connect to my server. I don't have a server as far as I know.
No, your phone internet
Oh,
or your yes.
well, I didn't think my phone was on the internet. I mean, maybe it is. I don't know. I didn't think, I mean, I thought it was on a cell phone network. I'm confused.
Mhm.
Anyway, you do what you got to do here, but I'm just trying to understand what's happening.
Mhm.
And by the way, this Bitcoin price that this 450, 495.99, I would like to buy more Bitcoins at that price. But obviously, I don't want them charged to this fictitious PayPal account. So how do we do that?
That's what I'm trying to tell you, sir. Let me connect you to our technical team, and then after we will resolve this issue.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay.
Okay.
So what kind of phone you are using, sir? It's an Android or Apple?
It's called a jitterbug phone. It's one that my kids got for me. It has large letters on it. It's a flip.
Or do you have a
It's
computer?
a flip phone. You know where you flip up the top and it. I
Yeah.
I
You
wanted
have
I wanted something I could just make phone calls on. I don't need anything that's got all this other garbage on it. I use my
oh,
laptop for that. I mean, the laptop works fine.
okay. So just be in front of your laptop, please.
Oh, okay, I can do that. Yep.
And just look at your computer keyboard, extreme left hand side, bottom corner. Can you see there is a CTRL key known as control key?
Yep.
And before doing this thing, sir, I just want to know one more thing, sir. Do you do online banking, online shopping with this computer?
Uh, my kids tell me never to do online banking. They tell me it's not secure enough, so I don't.
Exactly, exactly. So what I'm going to do, sir, I'm going to cancel all these charges, okay?
Super.
Thank you. Anything else I can do help you?
No, if you can just cancel those, that would be great.
All right. Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Well, wait a minute before you go. I mean, how do you know what name they're under? I mean, I don't want them to get somebody else's order canceled.
Yeah, we will already we are going to cancel it, sir. No problem. You will
Oh,
not get charged.
okay, that's cool. All right. What do you need my computer for
Okay.
now? You said the control key. What do I do
No,
with the
no.
control key?
No, 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 no. I don't need anything, sir.
Oh, you don't need anything. Okay, well, that's cool. All right.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Goodbye. He can't do anything with a flip phone. That's the problem. And I don't want him connecting to the phone business. That's stupid. So, anyhow, we'll have to try somebody else.
Thank you for calling PayPal. My name is Mark. I'm assist you.
Yeah, hi, Mark. I was just on the phone with somebody. I didn't catch the name. And he said he was going to cancel the invoice, but that doesn't help with the transaction that supposedly has already been charged to my account.
Okay, can you confirm me the invoice number?
Sure, GWNT19UFVE27YD01. And what it says is that it says at the top, it's a little confusing, it says due on receipt. But then it says the transaction has been successful and the amount will be debited from your bank, credit card, PayPal wallet. Now, uh, I'm not sure which one, um, but if it's already been charged to my account, just canceling the invoice won't help me. I guess I don't know.
Just give me a second. Let me go ahead and check.
Sure.
As I can check over here, ma'am, I can see here this transaction, it is not from your location. It is coming from different IP address and different location. And your IP address, it's Illinois.
Yeah,
And
that's
this
what
IP,
the guy said that I talked to, and he said he would cancel the invoice, but according to the invoice, it says that the charge has already been made against my account. So how do we fix that?
let me connect your let me connect your server to our technical team so that we will cancel all the foreign IP addresses, and then after we will remove all the charges so that you will not get any single charges in future as well. Okay?
Well, it's not the ones in the future I'm worried about. It's the one that's already been made.
Do not worry, ma'am. I will fix this issue.
Okay.
So just tell me like what kind of phone you are using, ma'am. It's an Android phone or Apple phone.
As I explained to the other guy, it's a flip phone. Okay. In other words, my kids got it for me. And by
So
the by the way, it's sir, not ma'am.
in which device you received the mail? In which
Well,
computer,
on my laptop, yeah. I mean,
laptop?
I
Okay.
don't get any email on my phone. I can't. I just make phone calls on the phone. That's all you can do. But anyway,
Okay. So like so you in your computer, do you do online banking, online shopping also?
yeah, sometimes, sure.
Okay. So let me do one thing, like let me connect your computer to our technical team. Then after we will remove each and everything, and then you will not get any other charges, and we will cancel the current charges, and we will remove all the foreign IP addresses, and then you will not get any problem in future. Okay?
You're going to remove the foreign IP addresses. I thought the IP address was linked to the device. That's what the guy told me.
Exact,
Okay, I'm sorry.
exact, exactly. Your IP address, it is not secure, so let me go ahead and secure your IP address, and then after we will remove each and everything.
Well, don't take everything off. I got some stuff on here I want to save.
No, 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 not on your computer, ma'am. I'm talking about the server. I mean, like we will remove all the foreign IP addresses which is connected with you.
Okay, I appreciate your being polite, but I am not a ma'am. I'm a sir.
No problem with
So,
that, ma'am. Okay. Okay. So,
you did it
no.
again,
Okay.
didn't you? You keep calling me ma'am, and that's all right. I understand you're busy. Go ahead.
Oh, I'm really sorry, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, do one thing, sir. Just look at your computer keyboard, extreme left-hand side, bottom corner.
Yep,
Can you see there is CTRL key known as control key?
yep, got it here.
Next to the control key, which key can you see, ma'am?
You did it again.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. I'm,
That's okay. I know you're just trying to be very polite, and I appreciate that. Okay,
I'm really
next to the control key is a function key, FN key.
I'm really sorry, sir.
That's all right. That's all right. I can't help my voice.
Okay, I feel so embarrassed.
Don't. That's all right. Don't worry about it.
Okay, sir. Okay, and next to the function key, sir, can you see there is a four flag logo key known as Windows key?
Yep, got it.
Okay, so what you have to do, just press the four flag key and hold it down. Only the flag key, press
Oh,
it and hold it down. Don't release the finger.
okay, got
And
it.
with the help of another finger, press the letter R, R as in Robert. Windows key and the R.
Yep, I did that. Yep.
Did you get anything? And
Yeah,
then release?
I got a run box. Excuse me. Type the name of a program,
Cor-
folder, document, or internet resource.
Correct. Now release your both fingers.
Well, yeah, I did already. That's what brought up the box.
Okay. Now you need to type in that box. You can see there is a white long panel just beside the open.
Yep.
It is empty or it is written something over there.
No, it's empty.
Okay. You need to type over there www dot
Hmm.
teamweaver.com. Team like football team,
Okay.
and then Weaver. V as in Victor, I as in Indiana, E
Okay.
as in Echo,
Yep.
W as in Whiskey, E as in Echo, R as in Robert.com.
Yep.
Teamweaver.com.
Yep.
Now hit OK,
Yep.
and after that, you will get the TeamViewer page in front of you, sir.
Yep.
And you can see download for free.
Yep.
Click on that.
Okay. I did.
And when you hit the download, then maybe left hand side bottom corner or right hand side top corner, that it will be download on that corner.
Got
Maybe
it.
left hand side
Yep.
or right
I
hand
got
side
it.
top.
I got it.
Once it's done, then open it.
Okay, did that. Then click on run, I assume. Okay, got it.
And then click on next.
Yep, did all that. Let's see. Okay, now what?
Okay. Now, what you can see, it is giving you some number.
It's asking me to accept the EULA and the DPA.
What it says?
It says as a checkbox, I accept the EULA and the DPA. I'll just click on continue. Okay, now I got the numbers.
Okay. Now tell me the number.
They haven't come up yet. It's there. There they are. Okay. Oh crap. Okay, 330-978-976.
It's 330-978-976.
Correct.
Okay, give me a second. And the password?
24Q77T1G.
It's 77Q and
No,
then
no, 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 no. 24Q.
give me a sec.
Okay.
Go slow. I'm sorry.
No, it's my fault.
Okay, go ahead.
24Q77T1G, all lowercase.
Okay. All right. Now you are successfully connected to our technical team right now.
Yeah, my
And
background my background disappeared, but all right. It's, oh, there it goes. Now it's back. Okay, got it. I like my background.
all right. Now just leave your mouse as it is. And now I'm going to show you something over here. And I'm going to show you.
Okay,
Just give me a second. Okay, now just press the Windows key and the letter R once again as you did before.
okay,
And now remove whatever is written over there.
okay.
And now just type over there C as in Charlie,
Mhm,
M as in mother,
mhm,
D as in doctor.
mhm.
Hit OK.
You mean? Oh, okay. I hit enter. I guess
Yeah,
that's the
click
same thing.
OK.
Okay.
Yeah. And now can you see over there like the cursor is blinking every second?
Yep.
And before the cursor, can you see it's written your name?
Yep.
So this IP address is registered under your name. So that means if someone have your IP address, then they can see all your information. So let me show you that how many IP address is connected with your IP address. So just type over here N as in Nancy,
Okay.
E as in Echo,
Okay.
T as in Tango,
Okay.
S as in Sugar,
Okay.
T as in Tango,
Okay.
A as in Apple,
Okay.
T as in Tango.
Yep.
Now press Enter key from your keyboard.
Okay.
Now just scroll up, go to the top, and now can you see at the right left hand side top corner it says active connection.
Got it.
So this page it will show you up that how many connections, how many IP address are connected and activate. So just below that, can you see it's written over there local address?
Correct. Yep.
Local address means it's your IP address. And your IP address, you can see over here, there is no changes. All are numbers same.
Well, no, they're not. I mean, like the first one is ends in 50124, and then 50127,
That
50132.
program. No, no, your IP address it's 10.0.2.15. That is your IP address.
I
And
see.
the last one
Okay.
which says that 50124, it's a website address, like whatever you pretend on the internet. So that is the website address. But your IP address actually 10.0.2.15. That is your IP address.
Okay, so that 50124 is a website address. So if I next time I search
Exactly.
the web, all I have to do is type in that address.
No, 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 no.
Oh,
That is technical thing, sir. That is the technical thing. I'm just trying to explain you.
yeah.
So,
Okay.
what I'm trying to show you here, just beside the local address, can you see it says foreign address?
Yes, I see that. Yeah.
So underneath the foreign address, you can see over here there is a lots of different IP address are there, right?
Well, I guess so. I don't know what they are.
Right. So there is a different IP addresses are there, and just beside, just next to the foreign IP address, I mean foreign address, there is a status, and it will show you that what is established, what is closed, what is time wait. So it will show you up over there.
Mm-hmm.
So like you can see some time wait, some close wait. So why it's showing you here, that is because you are connected with the secure server, so some IP address is automatically blocking by our secure server, and some IP address it is not blocking, so we have to do work on that kind of IP addresses so for blocking, so that you will not get any single charges in future as well. And as I told you before, that your IP address is connected with the different IP address, and as I know that your IP address is connected with Russia, China, and Colorado, but here you can see there is a lots of IP addresses which is connected with the means different different locations, you know. And so what I'm going to do, I just want to go ahead and start the work so that you will not get any single charges in future as well, okay?
Okay, that's cool.
And we will remove all the these foreign IP addresses so that you will not get any trouble in future, and we will remove all your information from the other people so that you will not get any trouble, because like the people who have your IP addresses, who have your information, what exactly they are doing, they're just trying to purchase like Bitcoin, and they're trying to do some illegal activities like child pornography, weapon dealing, things like that. So we will remove all your information so that they will not misuse your information for any illegal purpose for anything. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. And as I asked you before that you are doing online shopping, online banking, so you can check your bank as well. That did you receive any unauthorized charges? Just check your bank and just check the recent activity, and let me know. Like, did you receive any unauthorized charges or anything like that, suspicious charges, which is not belongs to you? Just open Google and check it by yourself and let me know. Till that time, my technician is already start the work.
Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, I gotta get my iPad here. I got all the login information on my iPad.
No, no, no. Do, do not use any other device, because this computer is connected with the secure server. So do not use any other like laptop, tablet, phone, any other thing, because right now we are securing one by one. So right now, your might be your tablet is not secure. So do not use any other device apart from this computer. So
Well,
just check it.
I'm
Yeah.
afraid I have to. The bank insists on it. I don't know
hmm
what to do. I mean, the bank insists
I
on.
will. Uh-huh. I will guide you, no problem.
Okay, guide away.
Okay. You can do one thing.
By the way, where are you located? Is it snowing there yet?
No, I'm in California.
Oh, you lucky dogs. Where I am,
And
it's where I
too
am. It's
so
starting.
embarrassed that.
It's starting to snow here.
Oh my God. So,
Well, I hate to tell you,
I
but he
feel.
had nothing to do
Br-
with it. But anyway,
Oh, okay, okay, I got you. And I'm so embarrassed that I called you many times, ma'am. I feel
yeah, I
so
know.
bad. I'm
I
sorry. I'm
know.
sorry.
Yes. Well, that's all right. That's all
Uh,
right.
okay. So just tell me your bank name, sir. Where is?
Apple River State Bank.
Okay. All right. Okay. A second. Okay. Type here your username and ID.
Well,
Username and the password.
I can do that, but it isn't going to work. I can tell you right off the top. because they've set it up so that it has to be done.
Okay,
It
okay,
has to be done on the tablet. This is
okay,
a
okay. Just give me.
VIP bank, and they're very concerned about security. So they set it up so that the only way you can, I mean, I could call the bank and ask them, but I don't see. I just checked my statement on my iPad, and I don't
Okay,
see any
okay.
refund or
No
anything
problem with that. No.
like
Okay,
that.
you can do one thing. Just open. Okay, you can do one thing. Open bank in your in the tablet.
Right.
Open it.
Okay, I did. Yeah. Okay, it's open.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Now I'm just writing something over here so that we can make it configure each and everything. Just tell me like what is the current balance you can see right now?
Okay, it's $322,000.58.
320 how much?
$328,000.58.
All right. And just check
In fact,
that
I really should move some of that money out. That's a lot of money to have in a checking account. So I think what I'm going to do is
uh-huh.
I think I'll move some of that money out and put it in a CD.
Okay.
The CDs now are paying
Yeah,
up
that's
three.
what I
Yeah, the
told you.
CDs are paying 3.25% now around here, which is pretty good.
Oh,
So
no
I'll have
problem.
to go over to the bank. The bank's not very far away,
No
so I
problem.
can just go over there and they'll take care of it for me.
No problem, no
Buy a
problem.
couple of.
We will refund it to you, sir. We will refund it to you. We will refund it to you, okay?
Well, I'll tell you
Do not
what.
worry about it.
Why don't you put it
Oh,
in? Why don't you put it in my savings?
oh, definitely, definitely. We will do that, sir. Do not worry.
Okay,
Everything is our in control. Yeah,
super.
everything is in our
Okay,
control.
yeah. Just put it in my
Yeah, do
savings account.
great. Yes, yeah, sure. So till that time, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to transfer this call to the billing team, and he gonna to resolve this issue. And
Okay,
till that time, I'm just working on the network so that we will
okay.
remove all the foreign IP addresses from your IP address, so that like whenever you do online banking, online shopping, so that your all information will be secure
Hmm.
forever. Okay.
Forever. That's a very long time. I
Right.
mean, come on, you got to be kidding me. Or you can't fix it so it's secure forever. That's a long time.
Yes. So just
You seem like a very nice man. I hope you have a great life. Get a good
no,
job. You know,
you are right.
this
You are
job
so
can't pay that much. So anyway, you
so
have
kind.
any children?
My name is Mark, and then last name is William.
Okay, you have any children, Mark?
No.
Oh well, that's too bad. I
Okay.
have seven children and eight grandchildren
Oh,
and
I'm
two
just.
great
Uh,
grandchildren.
oh my God.
Yeah. So where are you
Actually,
located? Where are you located in California?
San Jose.
Oh, it's nice and warm down there, isn't it?
Oh, okay. And actually, I'm not married yet.
Are you kidding? All those girls down there in San Jose, and you're not married yet? Good grief!
Yeah.
Come
Just
on, Mark. You got to get off the stick here, and you got to get out more.
def
You got to get out more.
definitely, definitely. I will.
Uh,
Definitely, I will do.
I mean,
First, let me do one.
you're not that far from Hollywood. You know, there got to be some good-looking babes in Hollywood for you,
Definitely, definitely.
right?
Yes,
Well,
you are absolutely
you
correct.
seem like a very nice person, so I appreciate the help,
You,
and go ahead and give me
you
your
are
other
so
guy.
right, right. I'm really. You are so kind person, sir. Okay, let me transfer this call to the billing team so that they will cancel each and everything, and they will return all the funds which you lost it.
Okay,
So
well,
just give me quick
just
minute.
don't do it forever, because that's a long time.
Yes, forever. Yes,
Okay.
forever.
All
Correct.
right.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Stay connected on the line, please.
Okay. Such a nice man. He really needs to find a better job. Maybe he's making too much money at this one. Well, I wonder if we got lost here.
Thank
I
you for
don't.
staying on the line. My name is
Oh, there
Sam.
you
Wanted to.
are. Okay. How do you do?
I'm good. The call was transferred to the supervisor. My name is Sam. How are
Oh,
you?
how you doing, Sam?
Well, I'm good.
So you
Thank you
got
so much for
you know
asking.
you need to give Mark Williams a raise. He was such a nice person.
Oh,
He
I
had
will
a
take
little
it as a compliment.
he had a little trouble distinguishing genders, but we won't. That's all right. I
I'm
understand.
sorry
It
for
was
that.
just a
Yeah,
mistake, I'm
because of
sure.
some technical problem. It could be because of technical problem, the voice problem. That's why you have got it. But today I'm
Yeah.
going to help you now. As the call transferred to me, I'm going to help you to
Okay.
get all your fraud charges canceled and blocked because these days we get a lot of fraud people who tries to get into other people account and they do all
Yeah, I
that.
know.
So we got.
That's what my bank has been telling me. Lots of fraud out there.
All
That's
right.
the bank. So the bank has set up some very secure procedures. It's a very exclusive bank. But anyway, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Uh,
I talk too much.
no, it's okay. You have been following all the instructions carefully, as said, as the previous guy told me, and everything looks good. And also, apart from this computer, you also have a smartphone or a tablet, right?
I have a tablet. Yeah, I don't have a smartphone. I have a flip phone.
Uh, I want you to grab your tablet. Just
Uh
get your
huh.
tablet,
Uh huh.
and on your tablet, do you have a SIM card? Like, do you receive text messages on that tablet?
No. Oh, yeah, I get text messages, sure, but I don't have a SIM card.
You don't have, but you receive text messages. You have a number on that tablet where you receive
Oh,
text messages.
I see what you mean. No, I don't have that. No, it runs through the internet. I just use it
All right,
on my Wi-Fi. It doesn't have a SIM card in it. No.
all right, all right. So, gentlemen, I want you to get that tablet, and on the tablet, please open. You have an app somewhere that says Play Store. I want you to open that. And also, gentlemen, let me tell you, in case we
No,
get
no,
disconnected once
wait.
you.
You're confusing an Apple with an Android. It's an iPad. The iPad Play Store is
iPad.
only on Android.
I'm sorry. So open the App Store. You have an App Store on that iPad.
Yep.
Open that.
Yep.
Now on the App Store, you need to search there for any desk. You can just type there,
Yeah,
ANYDESK.
I know how to
Any.
spell it. We were going through that before. Yep. Go ahead.
Great. All right. Perfect. Open that, and when you have it, you can just tell me what you see there. You should see some numbers. You can read out to me.
No, it's not. It's not letting me install it. As I explained to
What?
my good friend Mark there, this is a special tablet supplied by the bank, which they have locked down because they're so concerned about fraud.
Okay.
So you can't I mean there's not much I can do on this thing except to check my statements. So I mean I checked it a few minutes ago and there's no refund yet. But then again I asked Mark to put it in my savings account. So well let me check my savings here just a second.
All right.
Hang on.
So the money, like that's why they have transferred the call to the billing department, and I will be helping you. You
Okay.
can check it once here.
Okay, yeah, I just checked it. And there's no refund yet. Say, Sam, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can I get rid of this netstat thing?
Yes, you can get rid
I
of
can
that.
I can
Yes.
close that out. Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh, it's really windy out there, dear. I think Sam has disappeared on me. Sam, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, it got real quiet all of a sudden. I thought you disappeared on me.
If you need my help, like anything that you need me to help you with, do let me know. So you said you're trying to check your bank savings account or what?
I'm not trying. I already did. There's no
Okay,
refund yet.
it's not refunded. So where have you checked it? You checked that on the computer, or you have checked that on the iPad?
And no, as I explained to my good friend Mark there, the bank, which is a VIP bank, Apple River State
Mm-hmm.
Bank, what they did, they're so concerned about fraud that they gave us a special tablet, which
Mm-hmm.
is it's an iPad or
Right.
obviously a doctored up iPad that only allows us to connect to the bank. And they have told us, in fact, if you could see the screen now, I pulled up Apple River State Bank online services, and it says effective January 1st, 2022, VIP customers must use the tablet. Thank you for your cooperation. So, I mean, that pretty
Mm-hmm.
much
Right.
explains it. So I'm kind of limited. But you guys should be able, are you still there, Sam?
Yes,
Oh,
I'm here.
I hear that, I hear that click all the time. And so anyway, where was I? Forgot. Doesn't matter. Anyway, we got to use the tablet. So go ahead and make that refund, and I'll tell you when it arrives.
Okay, so on your iPad, I want you to try this doing it once again. I want you to download that app again. All right, try doing that once on any
Okay.
desk. And
Oh,
if it's not downloading, you can also tell me what error you get.
okay. The error said when I try to install it, I click on install. It pulls up the AnyDesk, and then I click on install, and then I get a
Hmm.
message
Like on your
saying this this tablet is not configured for remote program installation.
all right, got it. Okay. Okay. So on your computer, let me see if I can help you with that. Do you have your username and passwords? Look, so where do you? So you mostly like you mostly check your balances and all that on the iPad, right? Not on the computer.
Uh,
Is that
that's
correct?
that's the only way I can do it. Yeah, if I need to, I mean the bank's right up the street. I could walk up there and what time is it? It's a little after 10 here. I could walk up there and ask them to check it for me. I know them pretty well. They're
All right.
nice. They're nice people.
Mm-hmm. Got it. So this is what we have to do. Let me first of all check all the charges here and how many of them you have, and we can then give you the steps how we can close all of that and how we can
Okay.
do it. All
Well,
right.
the only one I got a
So
notification of was for this Bitcoin thing. It said $495.99. But the irony of it is that it says this amount will be debited from your bank slash credit card slash PayPal wallet. Well, I don't have PayPal. I do have a
mhm.
bank and I do have a credit card, but it doesn't say which one it was debited from.
Right.
So
So
how do
this
you?
could come out from anywhere. Okay? Today I will help you get everything fixed. Like we have to make sure that everything is taken care
Okay,
by getting all this verification transactions done. We have to stop all the cards. We just have to verify that and process it online so that when we get this registered, you will not be able to get any charges from there. So let me see what best we can do here for you. Just give me one moment.
So you say you have to stop the cards? Is that it?
We have to not stop the card. We have to stop the charges from the card, so that whatever are upcoming charges you're supposed to get, you will not get it there. We have to do some probably. We have to do some technical work to get that taken
Uh,
care of. So let me see
I
what
mean,
best
I
we can do
could,
here
I
for you.
could, I could do a lot of that by just talking to the bank, couldn't I? I mean, I know the president of the bank, and I'll just go talk to my good friend down there, and tell him that any charges that come in that I haven't approved, they shouldn't allow,
Hmm.
right? Wouldn't that
Right.
work?
So that bank, okay, like your bank can only help you after you get the charges. Let's say today they help you block a charge. Tomorrow again, these people they might come on with a different name, different identity, different fraud charge. Today you got Bitcoin, tomorrow you may get something else. So it's like that. So we cannot stop it from the bank directly, but rather we have to go through with some technical work like we're doing here, and then we have to directly stop it from here so that they will not be able to get your information out, and then they cannot do all these charges because you stop it today from the bank can only stop whatever merchant. Let's say you tell them Bitcoin, you stop the Bitcoin. Tomorrow again you get some other name come. They could change the merchant names and every now and then.
Well, but
So that's
no,
the problem
you're
here.
not quite understanding what I'm saying. I'll go to the bank and say, look, I have, I can put what's called a fraud alert on, and it would prevent any charges from being deducted from my account. Wouldn't that be a better procedure
Hmm.
than? And in the meantime, you guys can do all your work in the background, and you can. I mean,
So
I really
let me.
I appreciate all the work you're doing, but I think the best procedure here would be for me to go to the bank, and just tell them to put a fraud alert on both my accounts, and then nobody can take anything out unless I personally approve it. That would work, wouldn't it?
Me go ahead. So you don't have to necessarily go there because we will help you stop it right away from here. We somehow now we got access of your device to help you in a better way. Okay, I'm going to now help you get all these things taken care. Could you please on your computer? Could you please open your Google? Go to Google Chrome. Open it.
Well,
Close it.
I got Vivaldi open. That's my web browser of choice.
Uh-huh.
That's already open.
All right. All right. So I can help you. So this is the place where you mostly do your banking or you do your other online stuff, right?
No, as I pointed out earlier, I don't do any banking. No, because I
All right.
can't. I have to use my iPad. I thought I'd made that clear, but
I got
anyway.
it. Got it. So, all right. Now, gentlemen, I'm going to help you get this one secured and taken care. We have to get a few things canceled. We have to get a few things like blocked. So we are now working on your account. We will be now helping you to get all these things taken care. Okay. We're
Yeah,
going to use
cool.
it, not
Okay,
your browser, which you use it. We're going to do it on Chrome so that we this will be in a better way. Just give me one moment. We have
okay,
both of them. We're just securing everything online so that the other people will not be able to get into your account and do any kind of mess like this.
okay.
Okay, do you do any kind of Amazon or Best Buy or Target? Have you done any shopping from any of these places?
No, my kids do though when they come over,
All right.
but I don't.
And they all like, do they also use the same browser or they use Chrome?
Well, it looks to me from what you're showing me on the screen that they use Vivaldi. I
Okay.
prefer Vivaldi. I think it looks kind of. Well, they hung up. They realized. Oh, they're still connected. That's cool. Let's see what he's going to be up to. Now he's opened up Google Chrome. He's going to Best Buy, I think. That's what happens when the responses don't match what you expect on the script. Okay, they're going to Best Buy. Best Buy wants to know your location. That's all right. Oh, he's gonna try creating an account here. Let's see. First name. I was gonna ask to speak to that first guy again and tell him he needs to get another job, but anyway. He seemed like a nice fellow. Couldn't tell the difference between sir and ma'am though. Huh? Well, let's see. I think they've sort of given up. Let's see if they're still connected here. Yeah, they're still connected. But oh, they're calling back. How about that? They're calling back.
Hi there. Thank you for calling back. This is Sam again, the supervisor
Yeah, hi
from
Sam. We got
PayPal. We
we
got
got cut
disconnected.
off or something. Yep, we did.
Yeah, I'm sorry
I
about
I
that.
thought you
So this is a number
gave up
whenever
on
you
me.
get disconnected. Yeah, whenever you get disconnected, you simply have to get in touch with me on this number, or I will call you back on this number. Now, on
Okay.
your computer, could you please open that app again? You have that app that you got on the computer, the TeamViewer.com. Just open it.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Okay, I got it open. Yep.
All right, just one moment.
Okay. I can't stay on too much longer here, Sam. I got
Yeah,
an
we will not take
appointment.
much time. Could you please go ahead now? Just wait there. You will, if you get some messages coming up, simply click on all the allow, and then start broadcast.
Okay. It pulled up those numbers again. It says awaiting authentication. I don't know what
Okay.
that
Do you have a
means.
password set? Do you have some kind of password set for this?
Uh, no, not to my knowledge.
So do you see something popping up? If you see that, just click on all the accept, all
No,
the.
I don't see anything popping up yet.
Oh, all right. So you have a password on this page. You see you have a user ID
Yeah,
and also a password.
right.
Yes.
24Q77T1G.
Yeah. Now you can simply. All right. I guess we are good. We are connected. Okay. Now we'll quickly go. I will not take much time. We'll quickly go ahead and get all these things set up, and we can
Oh,
then move on with that.
my background disappeared again. Where did my background go?
Yes, you can leave that. Leave the background. We are doing it. We are working on it.
Oh, okay.
So I'll open
You
the
made
video
it all
again. Now
black,
I'm
which
gonna.
is really boring.
I understand. So this is just for now, just for today, because that's your personal browser. So we'll leave that for now. And you need to simply set up a few things here. Just one moment. Okay, now you need to fill this form. Just type your name, your email, and you can choose any password of your choice.
Oops, typed it in the wrong place. Oh, I hate it when I have to create a new password. Hmm.
Yeah, just choose any password of your choice.
What there? Oh yeah, sure. You bet. There are two things of it in the fridge here. Okay. I got to come up with a new password. Holy crap! Let's see. All right, it has to be letters,
Oh, let me just put a
spaces,
temporary
numbers.
password there. This will be like temporary password. Just one moment.
Okay.
You will see it there. Just let me put it for you. This is
Okay.
support at 2022.
Okay.
See that? S capital. It's support. SUPPORT at 2022.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. Now,
Oops. It's falling apart here. So what is it you're doing right now?
all right. So this is one of the charge that these people that try to take out from Best Buy. All right. So that's the reason we are getting this one done. Now, tell me, do you have your like? Would you be able to receive a text message on your cell phone or on the email? Which is good, email or text message?
I can get one on my email.
Okay. I want you to know where is your email? Is it on Chrome or is it on the other browser?
No, it's on the other one.
Okay.
So let's see. I got to get out of the. Okay, I got to get
No,
out
wait.
of
You should
that.
not.
Go to. Okay, here we are. Okay, I got to
No,
go
you
to
should
my.
not. So whenever you go to the browser, okay, just go ahead. Just open the email and then you can leave it, and I will do the rest.
Let's see. Where's my login here? There it is. Oops, I got to do the lowercase. I think that's my password. Can't remember half the time.
All right. So now you can just leave it. Now just leave the email. We will quickly go ahead and we will get all the things verified. You don't use it. Just leave everything and we will do
Okay.
the rest. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. So just to make sure we do it quickly. Do you feel?
What's the purpose of doing this? I don't quite see how this gets me a refund.
All right, because this is the charge, like those people that try doing it, we got a lot of charges on your account. We got Best Buy, we got Target, we got Amazon, and many other. But these people, they try to take out of your account. Okay, so when we do this, we will be able to cancel. We are basically doing a cancellation. We're canceling all your cards one by one to make sure that these people will not be able to charge it from there. So rather than going to the bank and doing it one by one every time, we're doing it from here so that you don't get into any kind of mess in future.
So
We're going
what's
to be
that?
closed for
What's that got to do with Best Buy?
nothing. That's temporary. We are closing. We are doing this to cancel the charge in Best Buy because you got the charge in Best Buy as well. Okay, that's why. All right, now I want you to grab your debit card. Please grab your debit card
Mm-hmm.
and you need to type it, please. type it here. So we'll be canceling all the cards one by one. So first we'll do the debit card, and then we can do the rest of the cards
Well,
also. Just do
okay,
that
but
one.
first
Type it here.
we gotta remove this charge, because I certainly don't want to pay anything to remove a card. That doesn't make
Right.
sense.
You're not paying anything. Don't worry. You will not be
Okay,
paying anything. But we're rather removing all these charges here. Don't
okay,
worry about it.
okay.
These are all like kind of temporary charges that you will
I
see there, but
see.
you are not being
Okay,
charged for anything. Yes, just one moment.
okay. Now what?
Just
I
wait
don't,
one moment.
I don't see where. Listen, I gotta
I
go.
will.
I'm gonna get. It's almost half past here, so I'm gonna have to leave you. You guys feel free to continue and work on this system, but I gotta go. So
So we need to
I
get when
appreciate
you get
your
this one done.
I
You don't get
appreciate your
charged.
help
You will
very
not be
much.
charged.
I do appreciate your help, and I gotta get out of here because I got things to do. I'll just go take care of it at my bank. I think that would work just fine. So thank you very much. I do appreciate the help. Bye. Poor guy. He kept trying to buy this $100 gift card at Best Buy because that was the only way to cancel all these accounts out. I mean, the load of BS that these guys hand out is just unreal. What do you bet he'll try calling me back too? But that's enough. I'm getting bored.